pound shop, I found two great ways to get from project parts to assemblies pretty quickly and easily. What I use are either dowels or biscuits to join both frames and casework panels. When you're using these, you want to have smart gluing strategies to be able to get a strong, effective joint without creating a big mess. So here's what I do with these solid wood connectors. The first thing I'll do is to put a little bit of glue down into the dowel hole so that I have just a little bit of glue down in there. Then I can fit the dowels in place. Similarly, I'll run a bead of glue in all of my biscuit slots for the case pieces. Then I can fit the biscuits into those slots. Now when I'm ready to connect it to the mating part, I don't want to end up with glue dripping all over the place. So I'm going to take a slightly different approach here, and I'll brush glue on the exposed surfaces of the biscuits, and the same way on the dowels, brushing a little bit of glue on those pieces. Now when I fit them together, I know that I have solid glue coverage on all the parts, and I've minimized the amount of mess, and I'm going to end up with a great looking project.